How many DJI Avata 2's can you fly at the same time? 1, 2, 3, how about 4? Today, me plus 4 people that I've never met before are going to attempt to fly 4 Avata 2's at the same time, in formation, without crashing. How hard can it be?
Okay, let's go. Follow me. I don't know, I lost everybody.
Now the mathematicians among you will have noticed then that I said me plus 4 other people, which means 5 drones in total, and the 5th drone will be revealed a bit later on. But before we do that, we first need to go and actually meet these guys and get to know each other a little more, whilst we all try and capture some epic sunrise footage at one of Bali's most beautiful rice fields. You do not want to miss this one. Good morning. So today I've head out for sunrise, and today I'm trying to bring the energy, because normally sunrises, they're a bit slow, they're a bit somber, but today I'm bringing the energy, flying with a group of people that I've never met before. I know them all from kind of Instagram and stuff, but yeah, should be a good fun morning. The rice fields are absolutely perfect conditions. The weather conditions could be a little bit better, there's a little bit of cloud going on. But yeah, it's going to be shenanigans, fun, and hopefully some absolute bangers. We've got some people. How are you doing?
How are you?
Yeah, good, you?
Good.
How are you?
Nice to meet you. Fauzi, nice to meet you.
Fonzie?
Fauzi. Komang.
Komang.
Tangan ke depan.
Komang tangan ke depan. Okay, I'll forget how to say it.
Subscribe your YouTube channel, you
Nice. And Steph is flying. How's it looking?
It's looking. Someone is flying on the same channel because I don't know.
Hey bro, how are you? Hey, good?
Nice to meet you.
Your name?
Tuyin.
Tuyin.
W-I-N.
Okay, Justin. Nice to meet you. Quickly send up the Air 3 for some behind the scenes and some B-roll, and just because I want to get some footage with the 3X camera. I think it's going to look really nice because we can see the whole volcano we're going right now. So yeah, conditions are improving. Okay, I'm just going to start putting some quads together now so we can get something in the sky. Probably around 15 minutes, I think. Actually, maybe even sooner than that, till absolutely perfect conditions. So I want to be able to get up and capture those bangers. Whilst I was getting the quads ready, Steph had actually finished flying, and it turns out that he had a pre-release product with him. Yo.
Get ready, it's time.
So this is Steph. He was flying when we arrived. Avata 2. Did you bring the 5-inch too? Avata 3.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's leaked.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, sorry. There are so many people here. I didn't expect them to be. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? 6 of us. That's crazy. Yeah, managing channels is a bit of a nightmare, but hey, the conditions have seriously improved though. Have a look at that. First battery sent with the 5-inch. I think I got some absolute bangers in there. Really nice shots cruising along the top, coming around from the back, a few rolls, flips. Massive big reveal from up high. The conditions are awesome. Look at the light rays coming through from the trees. I think a nice shot. Next one through this gap here. Banger after banger. It's getting ready. Off goes the Avata 3. We're managing signals pretty well. Basically, 2 of us are flying at a time, so 1 on channel 1, 1 on channel 3, and then we're just swapping as soon as the next person lands. So pretty good little system we got going here. I'm going to chuck in another battery ready because luckily for me, the other guy who's on my channel is also flying like traditional FPV. So it's a quick 5-minute change, where the other 2, they're on Avata 2, so they have they've got a long flight time. Let's do it. Okay, I've put together a little edit from this morning's clips, so sit back and enjoy the ride. Okay, we're just going to move now to a slightly different location, just so we get some different opportunities for different shots. Where are we going? Over this side somewhere. So we got a bit more of a sloped rice paddies to play with. Should be good. Okay, let's just have a quick scout with Stefano. So, a little birdie told me there's a reason there's a 3 on that Avata 2. What's the story?
The story is like quite a beginner, so yeah, it's my third child.
Where are the first 2?
First 2 in Bali, somewhere lost in Bali.
Bali has them now.
Bali eating my...
Okay, we're going to send up the Avata 2. I brought with me the one that took a bit of a smash, so we've got a plaster on there holding the ND filter on, but it means we can absolutely send this one and not really worry about what happens. Okay, we're about to try and do 4 Avata 2s chasing and a pavo. So this can only end well, I think. Let's hope for no mid-air collisions, but I think it's going to be shenanigans either way. I'm going to set up the tripod for this one. In the beginning, as you can imagine, it was absolute chaos. We were struggling to find each other and nobody knew who was who.
Maybe you can follow me because I have the light.
Okay, let's go.
Follow me. Pavo already start.
I don't know, I lost everybody.
Where are we going, left or right?
I'm already in.
From where we want to order.
Okay,
Yes.
let's go.
We managed to somehow all get to the same point for a little fly through the trees, and even the local farmers were joining in the fun, laying in the path and waving their arms about.
Already.
Pablo is already here.
Yeah.
Pablo is here. Okay.
Follow me.
How is fun? Oh my god, they're scared.
Follow me.
Pablo, you're too fast. Careful, our heads.
Oh my god, thanks God, my head is going to be low.
Let's go to the right.
This side, okay.
Left?
Left.
Yeah, to the right, left.
But I lost you. You're too fast. Okay, guys, follow me.
Oh,
Anybody see my Pavo?
I don't see the Pablo.
Alright, that was okay, but we knew we could do better. So we all flew back and we tried a slightly different technique. We set all the Avata 2s down in a row and we were going to do a formation takeoff, and then we could fly off whilst already being set in the right positions. Taking off in sequence.
Someone has to document this.
Starting motor.
Yeah, starting motor.
Starting motors. Number 1, go. One's up, yep. Number 2.
I will wait all the others.
Yes, number 3. Yes, number 4. Yes, we're up. Okay, let's go. Really slowly. Oh, the Pavo is here. Would you look at that? 5 drones leaving the takeoff area. We did a thing. But how long would it last?
I
think I go a bit higher maybe.
When I arrive at the end of the street, I will turn. You're still behind?
Yeah.
Turn left now at the scooter.
Okay.
Do you follow me?
Yeah, I follow you up.
Okay, I will turn and fly above. Once.
Okay.
This one, but I guess it's 45, so.
I think we should share this with DJI.
Yeah. This is so good.
Okay, guys?
Yeah.
I'm behind you.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go down a little bit so I can see you all better.
How is the view, Justin?
It's good. Number 3 need to get a bit closer, I think. Yes. Okay, I'm come up. Yeah, this is good. Yeah. Stefan, come up a little bit, maybe. Oh, whoa! Oh my God, that was so close. That is me. Yeah, I still. Okay, I got it.
I will
Okay.
go in the direction of the sun now.
Okay, I'm just going to change to manual, just to get some nice shot.
Okay.
But you keep going.
Yeah, guys, follow me.
I'm going slow.
Yeah, I will stay close. I will not go far. Is it a good speed, Justin?
Yeah, this is good. I'm just like playing around. I think maybe if you go higher, it's better because it's hard to see in the green.
Yeah, go straight.
Follow the path.
Oh! We managed to stay in formation for a while, but a close call meant that two of the guys actually dropped off, and it was now just me and Steph. So I continued to chase and enjoy the flight. I still got you, Stefan. I'm following you.
Okay, I will turn left and come back.
If you want, you can fly faster. You can go sport mode or...
Can I try manual?
Yeah, you can do manual. Yeah, that's okay. Are you manual now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming. Yeah, I'm coming.
I will not do anything crazy, just cinematic, okay?
Yeah, okay. Oh, this is nice. Oh, yes.
I will turn 180-degree left.
Whoa, fuck. I'm getting dizzy. Yeah, I just went like underneath and around the front of you.
Are you still behind?
Yeah, I'm trying to get really close.
Crazy. But
Oh my God. I don't see you anymore.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now I have you. I'm trying to get so close. Come on, a little bit more. Yes! Oh my God. After keeping things fairly tame, it was time to step up the pace a little and try and get some more dynamic and interesting shots while still chasing. Oh my God.
this series is gonna be the last man standing.
Yeah, you see me?
Yeah, I see you.
Oh my God!
Oh my God. Oh, you see me?
Did you try to kill me?
Oh my God. I tried to get the close shot over the top. Yeah, it's still behind.
If you have 4 battery or 5?
7. Oh my God!
7.
Yeah, because you have 3 avatar.
Yeah, because no, the reason is when I don't know how to spend money, I buy new battery.
Dang. Oh.
Oh, nice. It's amazing to think that this morning we were all just a bunch of random strangers who liked flying drones. But as the morning went on and we got to know each other, we all had so much fun enjoying and capturing the true spirit of flying with friends. So if you've never flown with other people before, try it sometime. You might meet friends for life, or you might just have some fun flying. But either way, you'll make memories that last a lifetime. Okay, absolutely top class morning. Some beautiful shots at the start of that. The sunrise here is always so magical, and especially when the rice fields are as lush and green as this, this place looks absolutely stunning. And then an absolute riot at the end. 4 Avata 2's chasing each other. Absolute madness. Happy days, great bunch of guys. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, you can actually go and check out this video here where I did some other Avata 2 chasing, also some crazy things happened there. But if not, go and check out this video instead. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this one. I had a lot of fun this morning, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.